Okay, so we are going to create the waterfall mani look today. First, what you're going to do is you are going to take the strip that you want to use. Probably going to use this on about half of the nail. I'm going to take off the purple tab and then I'm going to cut it in half because I am going to use it on the other side as well. Okay, and I'm going to be going this way. I'm probably only going to use about half of the strip. Okay, so I'm going to cut it in half again, like that. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take some polish remover, okay? I'm going to be dipping a brush in my polish remover. I'm also going to work on top of one of my Color Street tab or the set box because I do not want to get it messed up. But basically what I'm going to do is we are going to use the remover. Okay. I'll get the remover. And then we are going to scrape it away. And so we are basically getting the polish wet with the polish remover. And then you're going to use one of these little scrapers and scrape it away. Okay. So it looks like that. And then what you'll do is you'll peel the polish off from the other side, just like that. And you're going to lay it on your nail this way. And about as deep as you want it. And you got a little extra polish coming off there. So I pulled it off. So see how it's kind of got that waterfall cascading look? You can go ahead and bend this over. Okay. Then we'll do the other color that we're going to use. So same concept. I'm going to peel off the little purple tab. I'm going to be cutting my strip in half. Okay. And then about the same. So this one looks like it may be a little bit wider. So you do kind of want to have those two meet up. So I'll probably do this one more a little like that. Okay, so same thing down here is I'm going to be using my polish remover. I'm going to get it nice and wet where the polish is starting to come off. And then again, so this is the little tool I'm using. That's just a little scraper. I'm just kind of scraping some of the polish away. Okay. A little more. Okay. So again, so you'll have that little look like that. And then you'll do the same thing as you will just pull it off from the back. And then you're going to put it on the other side of the nail. So kind of line them up. to where they're maybe overlapping a little bit. Like that. Did make it a little big, so I'll just pull that off. And then I'll be wrapping this end down here. Okay, so you've got that so far. You've got your two main colors. And then you're just kind of like blend in a little bit to the others. So I'm going to add a little bit of some cheetah print. Oh, that one's already got the purple tab off. Let's cut it in half. Maybe make some smaller strips. Okay, now with this one, it's actually, since there's so little of it, you can really kind of just like cut little like snippets out of it. Since it's clear. So kind of like if you were taking like, you know, paper and, you know, cutting glass, not cutting grass out of paper. So you can kind of just cut it to give it that little bit of extra. And then peel it off, and you're just going to place it on wherever you think it looks good, so it kind of blends in. Kind of find a spot where maybe it's not coming up so great. Like that. See? And then I'm going to do another little spot like I have right here. There we go. So I just got two little strips in that. And I'm going to do that on one other spot. So you can layer as many colors as you want this way. It's totally up to you. I'm going to do that on the end right there, though. So then you can go ahead and break off all of your little excess with your thumbnail. That's what your nail's going to look like. You also have the option of taking a little more and kind of going back in and like blending it a little bit, smoothing it out a little bit, maybe giving it a little more in some spots. A brush and your polish remover really can make a great tool for cleaning up little areas that you don't like. Maybe dragging it out a little more to blend it in. Okay, so that is the final of our waterfall mani.